Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and join the family because I would love to have you here. So as you can see from the title below, today we're going to be diving into some matte eyes and glowy skin. Now this look I'm actually recreating because when I went to an event and posted the glam on my stories, a lot of you guys asked me to film it. So that's what we're here to do today. I'll insert like a little clip over here so you guys can see what look I'm talking about. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. It's such an easy but like fire soft glam look that I feel like you can wear during the day, but it also looks so nice and sultry at night. It's a vibe, okay? But before we dive into this beat, I want to say a huge thank you to CeraVe for sponsoring this video. As you guys know, we are huge CeraVe stans over here, and just being a CeraVe ambassador or working with the brand has been one of the biggest highlights of my year, honestly. If you guys follow me on TikTok or Instagram, you've seen me rave about this cream before, and I'm talking about CeraVe's moisturizing cream. This moisturizing cream is a dry skin body care must have. Honestly, when it comes to filming, I always have a moisturizer on my desk because sometimes it takes some time to get the content done. So while I'm filming, I've definitely had to like re-moisturize throughout the video because we ain't got time to be looking ashy out here, okay? And this is the cream that I keep on my desk because it's so rich but not greasy, so it will lock in that moisture in my hands. So when I apply it, I know I can continue filming for a while without feeling like I need to reapply any creams or lotions. You know what I mean? But this one does a really good job with restoring your skin's natural barrier, because a lot of the times what leads to itchiness and dryness and flakiness in your skin is that you're having issues with your skin barrier. But CeraVe makes sure to keep that intact, because if you're not aware, a majority of CeraVe's product is formulated with 3 essential ceramides, and that helps to basically lock in that hydration, but also helps to restore your skin's protective barrier. So ever since I started adding this into my body care routine, I've honestly seen such a huge difference with my KP. It feels really good. It's developed with dermatologists, so you know it's safe for your skin. For those of you guys who do have sensitive skin, all CeraVe products is what I would recommend, honestly. It doesn't have any fragrance. It has hyaluronic acid to maintain your skin's natural moisture. But honestly, I can talk about the moisturizing cream all day because I really do love it. And you guys know when it comes to skincare, I never recommend anything that I haven't tried for a long period of time. And the fact that I have been sticking by the moisturizing cream, the hydrating cream to foam cleanser for like the past couple years now, that just goes to show that I really truly do love this product, and I love CeraVe. So shout out to them again for sponsoring today's video. But with that being said, make sure you guys get comfortable, grab your matcha, grab your snacks, all that good stuff, and let's dive into today's look. So like I told you guys at the start of this video, this makeup look is hellaeasy.com. I literally just used 1 shade of eyeshadow on my entire lid. I'm gonna take this Sigma Beauty, the Dream palette. As you can see, this palette is ginormous.com, and I just went in with this darker brown shade, and I literally just packed it onto the lid just like that. All I'm gonna do now is take another brush that you would go ahead and apply your transition color with and just start to blend it more into our crease. And then I'm just taking another clean brush just to blend that out a little more. So you have just a really nice, flawless blend. And do you guys see how just 1 shade on its own looks like I applied 2 different shades, because it's more intense in the crease but more lighter on the lid, and I really like how that looked. So I'm just gonna do the exact same steps on this lid as well. And that's pretty much it on the eyes, guys. It was really that simple to do. So I'm gonna dive into my base routine, and then we'll dive back into finishing off the eye look near the end of this video. So first, I'm gonna go in with some primer. And that day, I went in with one of my favorite products to prep my skin with. It's from M Cosmetics. This is their Face Cuddle Moisture Balm. Next, I'm gonna go in with a little color correcting, and I'm gonna be taking this one from Liz Watier. This is their Portfolio color corrector in the shade Dark. I honestly really love to use this shade because I feel like it blends into my skin tone perfectly. It's not too orange. It's more of like a nice natural peach tone. So I'm gonna use that just to color correct a little bit underneath the eyes and as well as around my mouth, just to get rid of that hyperpigmentation. And do you guys see the difference that just made in my skin? I feel like my face looks so much more fresh and brighter just by that little bit of color correcting. So yes, Liz Watier. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation at the moment. This is by Charlotte Tilbury. It's their Beautiful Skin Foundation. I'm gonna take the shade number 9. concealer, I went ahead and mixed these two shades. First, I went in with the Huda Beauty Full Filter Luminous Matte Concealer in the shade Praline. And then I mixed a little bit of this Dior concealer. This is their Forever Skin Correct Concealer in the shade 4W Olive. So now it's time to go ahead and set my under eyes. When I originally did this makeup look, I went in with my favorite Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder. But today I really want to try this setting powder that I've been seeing trend all over TikTok. But this is Sephora Collection's lightweight translucent setting powder in the shade Universal. So it's just a translucent setting powder. I'm really excited to give this a try today because all the beauty girls on TikTok are saying it's where it's at to get that airbrush finish. So I'm gonna go ahead with my powder puff, which I'll have linked in the description box as well. I got it from Amazon, and just start to set our under eyes. The Sephora powder looks literally insane on my skin, guys. The girls on TikTok did not lie. It is literally airbrush. Like, I'm actually shook, and applying this on makes me really want to do like a full face of Sephora collection in the future. Let me know if you guys would be interested in that in the comment section below. Now I am going in with my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty just to add some warmth into the skin. And before I do that, my hands are looking a little bit ashy. I'm gonna take my CeraVe moisturizing cream, and I normally do this off camera, like in between takes. So this is basically like a little behind the scenes because this is literally what I do in between takes just to make sure that everything looks nice and good. Then I go in with some lip balm to make sure my lips are not chapped, all of that good stuff. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and bronze, taking my Fenty bronzer. And now that we're bronzed up, I'm gonna go in with some highlight. And you know, similar to bronzer, you can literally just go in with any highlight. So today I actually wanna take the Charlotte Tilbury palette that I got at their event recently. This is their Beautifying Face palette. It comes with two really pretty blush shades as well as two highlights. So I'm gonna go in with this one today, just see what it looks like on the cheeks because I've been dying to try it. Oh wow, that is stunning. Oh my god, are you guys seeing that? I am so glad I tried this because this is so pretty. I knew from the minute I saw it on their Instagram that it was gonna be heat. Yes, Charlotte Tilbury, get me together, okay? I am obsessed. Okay, so now we're gonna go back into the eyes, and I'm just gonna go in with some eyeliner and mascara, and then we'll do our lips and dive into lashes to complete this look. But I just noticed that my eyeshadow looks so much darker while I'm filming it for you guys on camera than it did in my Instagram stories. It's so crazy how lighting can change the look of what you use on your face, but I promise it's the same shade, guys. You can always go in with a lighter shade of brown. I just went for some smoky vibes that night because I was going to a nighttime event, and this is my favorite black eyeliner currently from Hourglass. This is their waterproof gel eyeliner. And then I'm gonna take my favorite mascara from Benefit. This is their Roller Lash Mascara. So those are the two steps I'm gonna do for eyes. And while our mascara dries, then we will go in with our lip combo. So that gives us some time before we apply our lashes, you know what I mean? So now we're gonna dive into the lip combo, and the one that I got the most questions about that night was this one that I wore from MAC. I went in, of course, with their staple iconic lip liner in the shade Chestnut, and then in the center I went in with this lipstick from MAC as well, and this is in the shade Syrup. Every time I post a story, the number one question I get asked is, what is the lip combo you're wearing? What is the lip combo you're wearing? So I feel like I might do a whole separate video on like my favorite lip combos, maybe on TikTok, somewhere, I don't know. I'm gonna film it for you guys. And you cannot tell me that lip combo is not fire. I am obsessed. I think it's so pretty. And I've just been really loving the look of like overlining my lips because I feel like my shape just comes out 10 times more. It just hits different. So I'm definitely gonna keep doing this for sure. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly just pop on my lashes and I'll be right back. All right, guys, and this is the final beat. I feel like it's giving perfection. It's giving she's a moment, and it was an easy slay. So that's the most important thing. So yeah, I hope you guys are vibing with this beat as much as I am. The lashes I went in with today are by Velour, of course. Do we use any other lash brand here? Not really, okay? So I went in with one of their lashes from their Vegan Luxe collection, which is my favorite from them. And this is in the style Dream Girl. But yeah, guys, that brings me to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming it for you guys. And I want to say a huge thank you to CeraVe for sponsoring today's video and for keeping your girl moisturized, glowy, and not ashy, okay? So make sure you guys go ahead and grab your moisturizing cream in the description box below. And just to point out for the the future, if you want to shop any of my CeraVe favorites, you can always find them linked in my Amazon storefront, which you can find linked in my Instagram bio or in the description box as well. So yeah, this is your reminder to not sleep on this, because this will have your skin on point all winter long. So if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, make sure you subscribe and join the family, because I would love to have you here. We slay, we beat our face, we're good vibes, okay? So I would love for you guys to join the family. And also let me know in the comments, would you recreate this look, or what is your favorite CeraVe product? Let me know, because I love talking to you guys, and like always, I'll see you in my next video.